दर्शन गरे प्रभु। महाराज कुमारको कस्तो ओजस्वी चेहरा, भाग्यशाली बाल। बगैँचाभर जताततै बाँच्नै बाँच्न छ।
हजुरकै कीर्ति फैलिएको जस्तो।
तिमीहरू त जे पनि मेरै जस्तो भन्छौ।
जस्तो देख्छौ त्यस्तै भन्छौ।
मुखले ढाटे नि आँखाले ढाट्दैन।
माउरीहरू सब सुतिसके, नत्र अहिले फुल फुल चारी कति गाना सुनाउँथे।
धेरै फुल फुल चाहने बानी राम्रो होइन रे।
कसले भनेको?
कसले हुन्थ्यो अब?
कसले?
जेठी महारानी, गादीका आक्वाला, छोराकी आमाले।
कहिलेकाहीँ त महारानी, मेरो मनमा यस्तो पनि लाग्छ, बरु महाराजको स्वर्गवास भए पनि हुन्थ्यो।
तँ यहाँ किन आएको? म कहाँ किन नआएको? फोटा
सधैँको जस्तै महाराजकै हाजिर भएको।
कस्तो महाराजले वैद्यराज?
के भएको रहेछ?
बिग्ने परेको हो त?
आराम भयो त?
चुनाव गर्ने कुरामा बिकको नै मिस आउट भएको। सबै इलेक्सन बिग प्रयोगबाट हुने देखिन्छ। संख्या परेको छ।
मेरा को शत्रु छन् र कोही छैनन्।
त्यसो नभने श्रोताराज्यू, अझै पनि तपाईँका शत्रु बाँकी छन्।
बलि अरिवार घरमै जाउँ र बसी बिस्तार लगाऊ।
अझै प्राण गएको छैन। मोती, पानी, पानीले पानी, मेरो लक्ष्मी, मेरो चौतारा, मेरो राज्यको सहारा। आज तिमी गयो, सपना जस्तो भएर गयो, सन्ध्याको छाया जस्तो भएर गयो। तिमीले नै स्थापना गरेको योगेश्वर महादेवले शिवलोक लैजानेछन्। लैजाउन्।
And Susanna Bosmate would like to welcome you all in Kanjirowa International Art Festival 2014.
As the announcer said, this is a collaboration with the university in US. This Angelo University in Texas. We have collaborated with Kanjirowa National Schools. So I would like to say thank you, friends and fellows and faculty members at Angelo University in Texas. You've done a great job, and I think this collaboration will become wonderful in the future. And I look forward to see the help and support from the US Embassy too.
Since art is an international language, and actually this art partly comes from Japan and from America and from other places. Of course, there are a lot of art everywhere, any country, and it's a mean to create bridges between nations when even languages sometimes can be an obstacle to speak, but everybody can understand art and express his way, what he feels. And sometimes things that cannot be spoken. I just told the director that next month we are bringing here to Nepal an artist, a very not young one, she's over 80 years old, and she's a Holocaust survivor from Israel. So I again want to congratulate and thank the school and the emphasis on the art. And I'm very happy that it's a collaboration between other countries as well. And I wish this will be a model for others. This is beautiful art.
Yes.
The mixed technique and next.
मेरो नाम मरिसा पन्ध्र हो र मैले 15 महिना अगाडि नेपालमा आएको छु र यहाँ हुँदा धेरै खुसी लाग्यो किनभने ती सांस्कृतिक र शैक्षिक आदान प्रदानको कार्यक्रम धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण छन् र आजको कार्यक्रममा धेरै प्रतिभाशाली कलाकारहरू हुनुहुन्छ. So thank you again for inviting me. Thank you.
I should thank Sapna ji for her beautiful artwork. In fact, Samjana Rajbhandari, she encouraged looking at her artworks because she is the national artist. Samjana Rajbhandari, I mean. I have been to her exhibition many times. She had been to different South Asian countries for her exhibition. And once she saw this artwork, then she said, "Why are you sleeping? You have made such a beautiful artwork and you should exhibit." In fact, she encouraged, and we also, as a part of the institution, we got encouraged to come up. So I should thank Samjana Rajbhandari ji for her wonderful job. In the same way, I should thank Sapna Kharel.
Heartfelt greetings to everyone present in Kanchiura National School, Model United Nations General Assembly. I am honored to be your Secretary General in this General Assembly. I am pleased to convey my greetings to the delegates from all around the world. We are here today in another Kanchiura Model United Nations General Assembly, and I respect all of your presence. Today, we are here to discuss about the major issues such as crime and crisis, human rights situation in Gaza, action against children's exploitation, poverty alleviation, preservation of cultural and natural heritages, combating Ebola virus, and sustainable development for developing countries.
The General Assembly, reminding all the nations about the importance of sustainable development and its role in developing a country, fully aware about the reforms in the financial development at national and international levels with respect to the policy orientation, accountability and transparency.
After 7 weeks of Israeli bombardment, Palestinian rocket attacks and ground fighting killed more than 2,200 people. The vast majority of them are Gazans. The Gaza Health Ministry, UN and some human rights group reported that 22,500 homes were totally destroyed or severely damaged and 37,650 homes suffered damage but were still inhabitable.
Do you mean to say that the United Nations has no interest to mitigate the violation of human rights in Gaza? Can you explain?
One of the world's leading magistrates, the Human Rights Council of UN is plainly not capable of performing the essential function to settle dispute. There is alleged violation of human rights law in Gaza. Stripped, but the UN is not able to play a role to stop the swords of war.
I would like to give the floor to the respected delegate of United Kingdom to present the draft resolution paper.
Stresses the continuing need for impartial and objective treatment of political, economic, and social situations and events of the countries involved in it.
Thank you, respected delegates. You all have been recognized.
Now, I would like to give the floor to the respected delegate of United States of America to make supportive comment on draft resolution paper.
UN has already deployed Human Rights Monitoring Mission, which would coordinate with Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe. UN has requested countries to generously respond to the consolidated appeals for the crisis, which is praiseworthy. The resolution is perfect for decoding the Crimean crisis. All the issues mentioned on the resolution paper are ideal to get to the bottom of this crisis. So, at last, I request all the delegates to vote in the favor of the resolution. Thank you.
Thank you, respected delegate. Would any delegate like to ask any question to the speaker? If so, you may raise your card. Thank you, respected delegates. You all have been recognized.
Now, the floor goes to the respected delegate of Lebanon. Respected delegate can raise the questions.
Respected delegate of the USA, I want to know that what exactly is the international community doing about Ukraine, which is slipping into total chaos and skating close to a possible war?
UN recognizes that culture is an essential component of human development, represents a source of identity, innovation and creativity for the individual and the community, and an important factor in the fight against poverty, providing for economic growth and ownership for development processes. UN has been inviting all member states, intergovernmental bodies, organizations of the United Nations system, and relevant non-governmental organizations to work for the proper preservation of heritages. I would like to request all the respected delegates to vote on the favor of the resolution. Thank you.
Thank you, respected delegate. You may take your seat. Would any delegate from any country would like to oppose the draft resolution? If so, please raise your stock cards. Thank you, respected delegates. You all have been noticed.
Well, sticking with the UN format, I probably should start my speech by addressing the Honorable President, the Vice Presidents, the Secretary General, all the delegates, members, Chair and the members of the committees, as well as the members of the Delhi observation missions. Now, departing from the UN modality, I would like to, of course, thank Kapil sir, the whole, the principal of the school, the principal of +2, in fact, the whole Kanjirova Don Bosco family for inviting me to speak a few words. I must really say that the people here, all the delegates who have expressed their views in support against the resolution and whoever has supported or opposed the motion have done very well. I love to be with bright, talented people like you. And when I look at you and people like you all around Nepal, I do have a sense of optimism that this country is certainly going to be sustainable. This country is going to be prosperous.
The resolution regarding action against children exploitation, poverty alleviation, preservation of cultural and natural heritages, combating Ebola virus, and financing for sustainable development for developing countries, which are passed by this Assembly, are significant achievement of this session. I hope and believe UN will immediately start translating policy and adopting these resolutions. Each and every member of the General Assembly has played an important role for making this session productive and result-oriented. So, I thank everyone, and now I formally declare the end of General Assembly. Thank you. Now, I would like to request Honorable Principal of Kanjirava National School, Mr. Mohindra Khanal, to speak a few words for concluding remarks of the session and conclude the program formally.
It was a UN simulation sort of exercise at Kanjirava, which we have been doing for the last 2 years. We started with the SAARC summit. That was the UN simulation last year, and we are with the UN simulation this year as well.
अघि बढिरहेको छ। नेपालको पूर्वी तराईमा राजवंशी काजपुरिया मेटेकोटी
And here go the balloons. Everybody, let's clap. Big round of applause. Next week. The boys and girls are 50.
The class goes on. Red on the lead, yellow takes over.
Blue takes over.
And watch that. The classic goes on. Red on the lead. We can't say there's a tough competition going on. Green. Is it red or green?
तिमीहरू निराश हुनुपर्ने के पनि छैन। तिमीहरू कसियो भनेदेखि यो मुलुकलाई चम्काउन सक्छौ, चम्काउन सक्ने ताकत छ। त्यो हुनको लागि तिम्रो एटिट्युड पोजिटिभ हुनु पर्यो, तिम्रो एप्रोच चाहिँ हेल्दी हुनु पर्यो र तिमीले गर्न खोजेको कुरा चाहिँ असाध्यै फुर्ती साथ गरिदिनु पर्यो। सक्सेस त तिम्रो हातमा आइहाल्छ नि भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ त्यो मेसेज चाहिँ हामीले विद्यार्थीहरूलाई मेसेज दिने मात्र होइन कि भाषणमा दिएर केही अर्थ छैन, स्पिरिटमा दिनुपर्छ, काममा दिनुपर्छ, एक्सनमा दिनुपर्छ र त्यो एक्सनमा दिनको लागि यो कान्जिरोवा भन्ने स्कुलले कति राम्रो गरेको छ र यो राम्रो नेपालका राम्रो स्कुलभित्र त्यो पनि पढिसकेको छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ त्यो एप्रोचमा चाहिँ सबै कुरा महत्त्वपूर्ण पक्षहरूलाई समेटेको हुनाले यो सही बाटोमा पनि छ र यसले धेरै गरिसकेको छ।